Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, oh, a classic Honda Civic. Look at that. Doesn't it look lovely as a track car? It has, in fact, been K-swapped. Customer's built it himself. He's got some mods, you know, he's got some mods on there, but our task... Richard is demanding Jeno's attention. Our task is to map this on a K100. So, out with the K100 after our initial power run to see where we're starting, and then get tuning. So, here we go. This is a track car, Richard.
It is, EF Civic.
EF Civic.
Very nice, K20 swap. I assume probably originally maybe a 1.4 or something. So K20 swap, got some EK or EJ9 clocks in there, which looks a bit weird. I love the retro, but I understand why he's done it, because you want the speedo working. Obviously, originally it's cable, and this is...
you got one of these, ain't you?
What's it now, electronic? I do have an EE9, yeah. Need some restoration, some light restoration. Light restoration.
Has it got a bit of crispy bacon on it?
It has got some crispy bacon on it.
I thought it might have, you know. Yeah. I thought it might have. Right, so this one came in, already had a K100 on it. Had some form of file on it or tune.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, perhaps it was already mapped for the previous car that it was on, or whatever. Said he bought it second hand, to be fair. So.
Whilst he said, I'm not going for power today, I just want it to be safe so that I can have a lot of fun on track. That's exactly what we've done, and we've made some power.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, was it 225 around there?
About 223 stock.
Yeah, 223, 221. When you say stock, obviously that's modified.
Before we began.
Yeah, with the file. We just ran it as it was. Seemed okay. Made some, checked the fueling, went through, obviously mapped it to this setup in this car. Obviously deleting codes and things like that, you know what I mean, that obviously need taking out because it's a conversion, stuff like that. But yeah, ran through it, mapped up lovely. I'm really happy with that. I think with the mods it's got on it, 230 is literally all you can expect.
I bet he's going to have a great load of fun in this.
Yeah, nice light car with 230 brake. It'll fly when it's got Perspex windows in it. So I'm sure it'll be pretty.
It's got little slidey bits for dogging.
Yeah, it'll be pretty fantastic. It's only so you can get your McDonald's milkshake through the slot, isn't it?
Give me a milkshake. I've had a hard day at Mallory Park.
Yeah. Right, should we have a look at that graph?
Let's do it. Well, there you go, lads. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. As Richard said, was on a K100, had already been tuned to some description, and we've done our bit, and we've gone from 223 to 230. So happy days, good result, sounds great. What a cool car, what a cool track car to be flying about in. If you've got a Kswap and you need a bit of help, give us a shout. We're happy to map it. We can map it on any platform as well. So give us an inbox or pick up the phone if you're old school. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
See decided to do. Life was pretty fast.